Hi, welcome back to my channel. Karina here, and if you're new, welcome. I am Karina and I love to paper craft. And today's video, it's about a reveal of what I received from two swaps. Were hosted by Mandy at Mandy's Place. The first one was an embellishment box swap, and the second one was a tag layered swap. I am so excited to open this package and show you what I got. I will be back. Wow, look at all these packages. I opened the package off camera, so just to save some time so this video is not that long. Okay, so let's start. Let's do the embellishment boxes first. So I am going to open this one. Oh, I love this. Oh no, these are the layer tags. Okay, that's fine. Let's start with the layer tags. So these three are the layer tags. So we open this one. Oh, this is so gorgeous. Oh, I love the topper. Nice. The paper, kind of like white and iridescent geometric pattern. And the little bow, how cute. Oh wow, look at that, how beautiful. So I don't want to damage oh, I can open this up over here like that. Yeah, I don't want to damage the topper. The topper is so beautiful. Look at this one. Oh, this is like, I think this is a Prima Marketing stamps. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, look at her belt, how cute. And she has wings and an umbrella. The beautiful bow. It says beauty, and this gorgeous doily. And this was created by Sonja Burger. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is just gorgeous. Just want to see your mom in frame. Gorgeous. This is a beautiful topper. And this is the other one, kind of layered. This is like a big rosette. Love it. And heart, more hearts. Oh, look at this balloon. Gorgeous. I love these. It's like a ribbon, resin, and a dove. Very cute, Sonja. And I know I want to see the goodies. And she gave us goodies. Okay. Should I open this up? Oh yeah, it can be open. Let's see what are the goodies. Oh wow, that's a lot of goodies. Oh, look at that. It smells so good too. Oh, nice. The wordies. Oh, I knew it. It smells so good because guess what? Guess what? I got a unicorn bath burst. That's why it smells so good. Oh, thank you, Sonja. This is just gorgeous. Smells so good. Okay. And she gave me some foil stickers. Perfect, because I do not have that many of these wordy foil stickers from Miss Sparkle and Company. And then these are love stamps. Perfect. I just want to open them up so you guys can see it. And there's so much glare out here. Okay. So these are the words. Very cute. Nice. I have to move these around here. And the stamps. Very nice. Good. I adore you. Good. Perfect. So I'm going to move these around. And now, oh, and she gave us washi tapes, clouds, and grass. Very nice. And this is a lip gloss. Oh, how cute. You know, shape of a ice cream. So now let's open. We have 2 more tag swaps. Let's open this one. I'm just gonna do a little cut here. Oh, the goodies and everything. Nice. I'm not missing anything. Good. And they're 2-layer tags. Oops. Oh, this is very cute. Celebrate. Very nice. She put feathers. I love the beads, and the paper is very cute. And this other one too. Very cute. Again, the feathers and the jammies and the word dream. Kind of like distress. I love this paper. Very cute. And the goodies are, ooh, let's see what I got. More washi tape. Yes. Oh, XOXO. And I love this washi tape, the pattern. Kind of like a marbled black and white. Nice. Now the Halloween is around the corner too, so it can be used for that. And then I love this trim. Very cute. The pen too. Very nice. And we have something here. I wonder what's, oh, jimmies. Yes, so look at that. Perfect. Yeah, because I'm running out. I'm using all my jammies. I'm like, I need more. I need to buy more jammies. Perfect. How nice. So we got this. I should probably put it like that so we can see it. And the last one. Oh, by the way, who sent me this? Triple Crafts. Oh, PT Triple S Crafts. So I am going to take a look at the whomever was in my group, and I will leave their information in the description box below. So definitely I'm going to check them out. And this one was done by Shirley's Crafty World. Oh, I love this. Nice. Very nice topper. And I love the zebra pattern bag. And of course I cannot keep everything. I probably have to open this up. I know I like to save all the baggies and everything that I get on my swaps, and I've been hoarding a lot lately. Okay. Oh, how neat. Very nice. It's an envelope and a nice fabric flower and some bling bling here. And oh, these are the layer tags. They're vintagey style. Look at this one. She put a picture here. I wonder if it's her or it's just a picture. Oh, gorgeous. I love the paper and the flowers. And look at this crochet doily. How cute. I love this picture. Gorgeous. And the lace too. Like shabby chic. And this other one. Oh, I love this one. I think that's a stamp from Santoro. Is that the brand? Not sure, but looks familiar. And then she put some flowers. They're fabric flowers. The word love. I love these. So cute. And the lace. And here you go. There's her business card. Sheryl's Crafty World. Okay, so Sheryl'sCraftyWorld.com. Oh, okay. So she have a website. So I will leave all her information in the description box below, of course. So this was the swap for the 2-layer tags. Wow, we went really fast, huh?